welcome to Regina's Kitchen. I'm Chef Regina Charbonneau, and I'm glad you're with me today. I wanted to share some ideas about entertaining. And, you know, when I moved back to Natchez from San Francisco, I had restaurants there for years, and my husband and I bought Twin Oaks. It was a great way to be home, raise my boys. I wrote 3 cookbooks, but what I did most in that house was a whole lot of entertaining. I love throwing parties. And when I opened Regina's Kitchen, the idea is to be kind of an extension of what I was doing for many years through my career. And entertaining is a big part of what I do. I love cooking, and I've been a chef for 40 years. But having a party is one of the things I enjoy most in the world. I love, you know, what fun is cooking if you don't have people to enjoy it. And so I do a chef's table, and I do pop-up dinners here, and one of my favorites is my hummus bar, and I thought I would share that with you. It's great because Mediterranean food is so light and fresh, and it's, you know, the other thing is that I found when I entertain, I love doing buffets or like a chef's table because I can accommodate everybody's taste. I'm gonna share my hummus recipe with you, which is vegan, and a lot of the toppings are vegan, vegetarian, but I also do a Mediterranean lemon chicken with oregano and some sauteed shrimp. So all kinds of toppings for hummus. And again, I'm gonna share that with you, and I'm glad you're with me today. What I love about Mediterranean cooking, it's all of my favorite ingredients, and it's amazing how you take a lot of Creole cooking and the, you know, tomatoes, peppers, onion, and lemon is something we always use in Creole cooking to give it a little boost. But the Mediterranean cooking, I love oregano and garlic and crushed red pepper. Roasted peppers are a must. You know, tomato, Kalamata olives, good olive oil. I love Greek olive oil. I love olive oil from Spain. I love olive oil from Italy. Good olive oil makes a dish when you're cooking Mediterranean food. And lemon is just, you know, something that always comes into it. So the idea today for my hummus bar is to marinate some chicken in the garlic and oregano, crushed red pepper, and I'll roast that. And I will have caramelized onions, sauteed mushrooms, all these good things that go on hummus. And then I'll have, of course, roasted red peppers. And then I'll make a salad with tomato and kalmatas and some cucumber and a nice red wine vinaigrette. And that way people can put what they want on top of their dish. I'm also going to saute some shrimp with garlic and rosemary, and again, a lot of lemon, some crushed red pepper. So the key to having a good hummus bar is toppings that will kind of accommodate everybody's taste and needs. So here we go. I'm going to put together a plate and show you what I like. So I've got the hummus with some olive oil, and look at this fabulous salad with all those kalmatas and good red wine vinaigrette. And I'm going to put a couple of shrimp right there. And I love this tuna with capers and a good olive oil. So I kind of have a little seafood salad going there. And then on the hummus, no, I also made, I have to put my southern touch on everything. I made some black-eyed pea and jalapeno hummus. So I'm gonna put a little bit there. And then to me, the best thing on hummus are these wonderful caramelized onions that we did, and the earthiness of the mushrooms. And of course, you can't not have roasted red peppers. And maybe a couple more of those. And then let's put one of my wonderful oregano lemon chicken. And it is a plate full of really healthy, good, fabulous hummus dinner.